Sir, you're charged with 2 cases with us. You were charged with assault of a family member. You're now also charged with failure to identify oneself to a peace officer while being a fugitive from justice. That allegation kicks it up to a Class A, so you're also facing a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine.
On April 6, 2024, officers spoke with a complainant witness who stated she was involved in a physical altercation with the defendant after the defendant became upset with her over food and struck her several times with a closed fist in the nose and mouth, causing her pain and visible injury. Officer observed the complainant witness to have a swollen bottom lip with a small laceration, and she was holding a bloody towel that she used for her nose. And the defendant and the complainant witness have been in a dating relationship for 8 years. On June 4th, 2024, officer responded to a disturbance call and spoke with the complainant witness. Complainant witness stated the husband threw her on the wall after she called his mom to complain of his behavior. And then she stated that she had a protective order against the defendant. And then the failed to ID on April 11, 2025, officer dispatched to an unknown disturbance. Officers observed the defendant walking out of the door, stating that he was only having a verbal argument with his wife.
So now a new fight and that's what brings the cops to the house?
I believe so. Officer spoke to the female on scene. Officer stated the female was not answering questions due to not wanting to get the defendant in trouble. Officers advised the defendant that if he does not have proper name and date of birth, he'll be charged with failure to identify. The defendant then confessed and provided his real name and date of birth. The defendant stated he did not want to go to jail for a warrant that he had. And then the officer observed that he had a felony and a misdemeanor warrant.
You speak English, right?
Yes, sir.
The reason I'm trying to figure what's going on is because she's asking me to give you a PR bond, but we've given you bond after bond after bond. You've been in flight status for about nearly a year, and now when the cops come to try to talk to you, you try to evade again. You know what I mean? Are we just going to continue to give you chance after chance? You continue to you just don't give a shice about bond conditions, man. I mean, really, we've given you PR bond after PR bond. It would just, at some point, I have to say when, so that you know we mean business. There's no more revolving doors.